Hello everyone, my name is Anurag, and I am a first-semester civil engineering student at Madhupur Polytechnic College. My roll number is 16. Today I am going to talk about the different tools used in a workshop. In every workshop, whether it's for carpentry, mechanical work, or civil engineering tasks, tools play a vital role in helping us perform various tasks effectively and safely. Body of the presentation. 1. Hand tools. The first category of tools we will discuss are hand tools. These are basic tools that do not require electricity or power to operate. They are easy to use and are essential for precision tasks. Some of the most common hand tools include hammer, a tool used for driving nails into wood or other materials. Screwdriver, used for driving screws into various materials. Wrenches, used to tighten or loosen bolts and nuts. Tape measure, a flexible measuring instrument used for measuring length or distance. Pliers, a tool used for gripping, twisting, or cutting. Power tools. 3. The next category is power tools. These tools require an external power source, such as electricity, batteries, or air pressure. They are much more efficient and are used for heavy-duty work. Some common power tools include drill machine, used to make holes in different materials such as wood, metal, and concrete. Angle grinder, a tool used for grinding, cutting, and polishing. Electric saw, used to cut wood or metal with ease. Sander, a tool used to smooth or finish surfaces. 3. Measuring instruments. Measuring instruments are crucial in a workshop for accurate work. These tools help ensure that every part of a project fits correctly. Examples include calipers, used to measure the distance between two opposite sides of an object. Spirit level, a tool used to check the horizontal or vertical alignment of a surface. Micrometer, a tool for measuring small distances or thicknesses with high precision. 4th, safety equipment. Safety should always come first in any workshop. Here are some essential house safety equipment that should be used. Safety goggles, protects the eyes from debris, dust, or harmful chemicals. Glove, protects the hands from cuts, abrasions, and chemical exposure. Ear protection, protects the ears from loud noises produced by power tools. Apron, protects the body and clothes from dirt and injuries. 5. Specialized tools in civil engineering. As a civil engineering student, some tools are specific to our field and help us complete construction projects. These include surveying instruments, like the theodolite, which helps measure angles in the construction site. Concrete mixers, used to combine cement, sand, and water to make concrete. Compactors, used to compact soil or asphalt to make the ground level for construction. Conclusion. In conclusion, the tools in a workshop, whether manual, powered, or specialized, are essential for the completion of tasks efficiently and accurately. As students of civil engineering, it is important to familiarize ourselves with these tools, as they will play an important role in our future projects. Safety is also a top priority, and we must always ensure we are using the proper safety gear and equipment while working in the workshop. I hope you must have learned something from this video, so thank you so much for watching.